Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So, message and energy check reading. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, mag-subscribe ka na. Yes. Para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and oo, pagdating po sa private or personal reading, kung meron po kayong mga tanong, message lang po sa atin pong FB page for more info. And yes, don't forget na i-follow ang ating FB page. Okay, so yan. So let's start. All signs. So Aries, okay. So, ano bang meron? Anong message for you? Aries placement. It's okay. Pasensya na ha sa aking boses. Okay. Maghapon magdamag. So, okay. Aries, ano bang meron? In general. Okay. The Five of Cups. Okay. Devil in reverse. And the Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you, kailangan yung yung tawag doon, magtipid-tipid. Okay? Magtipid-tipid. Yes. Wait lang. Ako ay may nakikita ritong hindi ko pa makitang masyado. Wait lang. So, Five of Cups, the Devil. Meron ditong gustong makipag-ayos. Okay? Water, Capricorn, Earth sign. So, parang gusto niya makipag-ayos. Okay? There's regrets pagdating sa kanya. Pero, ato ha, meron ding energy rito na parang gusto nilang mag-sorry sa mga ginawa nila na hindi maganda. Okay? Meron din ditong gustong mag-sorry dahil hindi nagkaroon ng pag-level or pag-level up sa relationship. Okay? Five of Cups. The Nine of Wands in reverse. Yeah. Meron ditong napagod. I'm sorry, napagod ka sa akin, Aries. Mga ganun. Ay. Ano tong Devil in reverse? Yeah, the Two of Wands. Okay. And the Seven of Wands. Meron ditong fire sign na parang pinipigilan yung sarili niya na kumonek or maging open sa'yo. Fire sign. Or pwedeng fire sign din yung person mo. Or pwedeng ikaw ito. Okay? Merong nangyaring separation. This is your ex. This is your ex. Or pwedeng kayo ito sa ex nyo. Okay? Pagdating sa pera, kailangan nyo magtipid-tipid ha. Okay? In the near future. Kasi pwedeng merong paggamitan ng pera. You need to save more. Okay, Aries? So, pasensya na po ha sa ingay. Okay. Meron ditong parang natatakot gumawa ng maganda. I don't know. Oo, pwedeng Capricorn, pwedeng fire sign like you. Okay? So, next. Taurus. Okay. Taurus, ano bang meron for you in general? Okay, Taurus. Okay. The Four of Cups. The Knight of Cups. The Five of Wands. In reverse. Parang meron ditong hindi, parang merong nakakaramdam dito na hindi sila na-appreciate. Okay? Parang walang epekto yung ginagawa nila. Like that. May nalulungkot. Taurus. A water sign. Some of them pwedeng gusto nilang gumawa ng actions like patungkol sa emosyon. Meron ditong gustong makipag-ayos, mga ganyan. Yeah, maybe this is your ex. Okay. Okay. Hang on. Okay, so yeah. Medyo mainit yung ilaw. Okay. Excuse me. So, death. Kung sino man yung naka-separate mo, sino man yung naka-break mo, lungkot-lungkutan sila ngayon. Oo, lungkot-lungkutan. Pwedeng Scorpio, pwedeng water sign. Okay? Ano tong Knight of Cups? The Seven of Wands. Merong tao dito na gustong mag-express ng kanilang emosyon pero may tension. Okay? Pwedeng merong person na parang low-key na ginugusto ka. Yes, hindi nila sinasabi totally yung feelings or emotions dahil ayaw nilang merong masasabotahe or ayaw nilang may magkakaroon lang ng awkward na feelings or what. Okay? Iniiwasan nila yon. To the Five of Wands in reverse. Yeah, the Eight of Swords. In the near future, pwedeng mag-open up to. Okay? Sa ngayon, wala pa akong nakikita dito. Nakabaliktad pa rin yung offer. Okay? May mga sitwasyon na maaayos. May mga sitwasyon na masasagot. May mga katanungang masasagot. Okay? Merong mga arguments, mga away na masusolusyonan. Mabibigyang solusyon, maaalisan, makakalimutan yung iba. Okay? In the near future. Okay? So, there. Next. Gemini. Okay. So, Gemini placements. Message. And energy check. Okay. Gemini. Isa pa. Gemini. Yan. Okay. Gemini. The King of Swords in reverse. The Justice. Okay. And the Knight of Wands. Be careful dito sa taong ito na parang ang intention is maganda. Yun ang alam mo. Okay? Kailangan mong mag-isip maigi, mabuti bago ka gumawa ng action, lalo na patungkol sa emosyon. No? Meron ditong mga legal action na uusad. Okay? Yung mga uusad. Ano tong King of Swords in reverse? The Queen of Wands. Nakakarinig ako rito ng annulment or divorce. Okay? Some of you, meron dito makikipag-ayos na air sign or fire sign. Pwedeng Libra. Hindi ko nakikita na, lalo na ako mayroong like third party, hindi ko nakikita na magiging okay to dahil na like yung emosyon ng taong yun or yung kanyang ugali talaga is hindi niya kayang alisin yung mga ganun, yung mga panloloko. Okay? Andyan yung sa simula lang magiging okay pero babalik at babalik. Ha? Yeah. Some of you pwedeng same gender kayo ng person mo na to. Okay? Ano tong Justice? Yeah. The Queen of Swords. So, merong mga tawag dito. May mga chances na pwedeng mabigyan ng visa. Yung iba, makapasa sa exam, sa ina-applyan, like that. Okay? Anything legal rin na pwedeng maipasa. Okay? So, yeah. Ano tong Knight of Wands? Knight of Wands. The Empress. There's growth. Anything na talagang pinagpaplanuhan mo sa ngayon, okay, lahat ng gusto mong mangyari, Gemini, in the near future, doon ko nakikitaan na pwedeng doon lumago, okay, doon mag-progress, hindi pa sa ngayon. So, kailangan ngayon dito is balance. Hindi dapat madaliin, hindi dapat tamarin, okay, hindi dapat katakutan kung ano bang meron. In the near future pa ito magkakaroon ng magandang result. Yung result na gustong gusto mo. Okay, yeah. Some of you, this is like, tawag doon, kasal. Okay, merong mga issue. Pwedeng masettle or pwedeng ma-actionan or maging okay in the near future. Regarding relationships, regarding businesses, mga ganyan, career, magkakaroon ng magandang resulta in the near future. There's growth. Okay? Some of you, be careful sa isang fire sign. Pwede kanyang mabigyan ng anak. If ever, no, na hindi, pwedeng ikaw ready na siya, hindi. Pwede maging vice versa. Okay? Pwede maging vice versa. So, next. Cancer. Hang on. Okay, there. Parang walang nagbago. Wait lang. Okay. So, Cancer. Anong message for you? Energy check-ins. Cancerians. Okay. The Two of Pentacles. Some of you, you're juggling. The Nine of Pentacles. Ano bang uunahin kong bayaran? Yung iba sa inyo, ganun. Ano kayang uunahin ko? Yeah, responsibilities. Kaliwat kanan na responsibilidad ang nakikita ko sa inyo, Cancerians. Okay? So, yeah, you're confused. May iba sa inyo pwedeng confused or hindi alam kung saan kukunin ng pera. Okay? The Two of Cups. May iba naman rito, pwedeng nagdadalawang isip na patungkol sa isang relationship. Yeah. Yeah, this is relationship. Okay? Ano tong Nine of Pentacles in reverse? Yeah, the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. So, merong issue, no, patungkol sa kaperahan. Ang daming bayarin, ang dami. Yung iba rito, pwedeng may bibilihin lang na medyo excuse me, mahal. Okay, iba dito, pwedeng gumastos para sa travel. Okay, what's with the moon? The Tower in reverse. Okay. So, may mga situation dito na pwedeng naku-confused ka. Pero in the near future, parang wala na lang sa'yo. Okay? Parang wala na lang sa'yo. Iba rito, pwedeng mag-heal through time. Parang, okay, as time pass, no, as time goes by. Pakanta na Basta, yung time ang mag-heal, parang ganyan. Pwedeng yung kahabaan na ng panahon, yun na yung parang magpapalimot sa'yo kung ano man to. Okay? So, yeah. So, yun lang po. Wait lang po ha. Okay. So, yeah. Yun lang ang akin nakikita for you. May langaw pa nga. Yun lang nakikita ko for you. May struggle, konti. O sabihin natin, may mga bayarin. May mga bayarin. Ano bang uunahin kung bayaran? Mga ganyan. Okay? And, lahat ng confusion, lahat ng tanong, masusolusyonan na in the near future. Okay? So, there. Okay. Next is Leo. Wait lang. Naiirita ako dun sa langa. Wait lang. Okay. So, Leo placements. Ginabi na tayo ng ginabi. Okay. So, yeah. Leo, ano bang meron for you? Okay. The Seven of Pentacles in the reverse. Okay. And the Three of Wands. Oh. What are you waiting? What are you waiting for? Six of Wands in reverse. What's with the Seven of Pentacles in reverse? Ay, talaga naman. May isang nag-flip. Ito ang kukunin ko. Oh. Some of you, you're wasting your time doing nothing. Okay? You're wasting your time doing nothing. Yung iba rito, parang palaging lang nasa bahay. Oo. Yung iba sa inyo ha, pwedeng may sakit or hindi lang talaga maganda yung pakiramdam ngayon or bukas. I don't know why. Okay? So, ano tong Three of Wands? The Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Yung iba sa inyo, kung hinihintay nyo ay patungkol sa work, hindi ko nakikitang darating. Kaperahan, hindi ko rin nakikitang darating. Kung kayo, naghihintay kayo ng someone na makipag-ayos, hindi rin darating. Okay? Ano tong Six of Wands in reverse? What's with the Six of Wands in reverse, please? The Chariot in the reverse. Okay, so pwedeng merong mga delays in the near future rin. Okay? The Ten of Pentacles. Anong nangyayari dito, Leo? Kasi ang nakikita ko, you're just waiting, doing nothing. Walang patutunguhan tong paghihintay mo. Kailangan mong umeffort. Kailangan mong gumawa rin ng aksyon. Okay? Kailangan. Hindi pwedeng hintay ka lang ng hintay. Walang mangyayari dyan. Okay? So, next is Virgo. Okay. Meron akong babatiin dahil birthday niya. Oo, ilang beses akong minessage na ito eh. Oo, siguro mga isang buwan. Madam, batiin mo ko ha sa birthday ko. Siguro mga isang buwan bago itong mag-birthday niya. Oo, hindi, joke lang. Batiin ko raw siya. Happy birthday, Uod. Ayaw niya magpasabi ng name. So, sa mga Virgo dyan, happy birthday. Oo, sino mga birthday dyan? Happy birthday. Oo. Okay. So, ayaw niya magpasabi ng name. Naiirita daw siya sa name niya. O di, okay. Uod na lang. O, diba? Hindi na siya nakatulog kagabi. Actually. Virgo. Virgo. Message for you. Okay. The Eight of Swords in reverse. The Knight of Swords in reverse. And the Wheel of Fortune. Oh. Changes. Yes, changes, Virgo. Kahit sabihin nating back and forth, andun yung focus. papunta sa changes. Okay? Even though merong pending or sabihin natin hindi palaging umuusad, andun yung focus sa pag-usad. Okay? May mga malalaman ka. Sorry. May mga malalaman ka like may taong gusto makipag-usap sa'yo. The Nine of Pentacles. Okay, may nag-iintay sa'yo. Meron, kung makikita mo tong Nine of Pentacles, okay, para siyang may hinihintay. See? Kailan kaya? Diba? Anong meron? Tingnan natin. Ano tong naghihintay na to? Sino to? Na makipag-usap ka sa kanya. Ay. Sino itong Nine of Pentacles na to? Ay, the Ten of Pentacles. Pwedeng kakilala ng family mo. Oo. Pwedeng naghihintay ng yaya mo sa birthday. Specific. I'm sorry. May iba rito ha, makakita ng kung kayo in general, okay? In general, meron ditong patungkol sa pera. Nakikita ko parating na yon. Okay? Parating na. Big money. Yeah, big money. Okay? So, what's with the Knight of Swords in reverse? Okay. The Ace of Wands in reverse. There's like a travel na parang mapopostpone or madidelay. Okay. What's with the Wheel of Fortune? The Devil. Lagay nyo nakukuha to. I guess. Parang, The Devil. Capricorn energy. Wheel of Fortune, this is changes. Okay. Nasa ilalim niya si The Devil. So, I guess, parang iba rito gustong-gusto or parang sabihin nating nababago na yung ikot. Okay? Nababago na yung ikot. Like, marami ng in the near future, maraming pagbabago ang mangyayari na talagang kahit sabihin nating medyo mahirap, mas gugustuhin mo. Okay? So, there. Yeah. Next. Okay. Next is Libra. Okay. So, Libra. Anong message for Libra, please? Libra placements. Okay. The Lovers. So, partnership, relationship. Okay, tingnan natin. Pwedeng Gemini. The Three of Wands. Manifesting a relationship for some of you. The Three of Swords. Stop muna mag-manifest, okay? If you're not totally healed. Okay? Kung hindi ka pa healed, wag muna. Okay? Yeah. The Ace of Swords in reverse. Stop muna, or yung iba rito, if you're like manifesting a specific person, stop it. Okay? Stop. Ito, the Three of Swords. Ano po yun? Yung minamanifest nyo, sasaktan lang ulit kayo pagbalik. Ha? What's with the Lovers? Meron ditong third party. What's with the Lovers? Yeah, the Five of Swords. Masasaktan kayo dahil ang daming conflict, ang daming mixed signals. Okay? What's with the Three of Wands? The Four of Wands. Iba rito, sasabihin ko na parang nasa isang sabihin nating soul bond, soul tie connection. Iba rito, karmic. Okay? Yeah, I think so. Nasa karmic relationship. Yung parang wrong timing, lahat na lang mali. Yung hindi na lang mali is yung pag-iibigan. Yes. Okay. Oo, yun lang ang hindi mali. Oo, mali na lahat ng nasa paligid. Pero yung love andoon. Ay, or sabihin nating ah, right person pero wrong timing. Yeah, 'di ba? Si Queen of Cups. Ooh. Yung iba rito nagma-manifest, okay, ng long-term relationship. Basta do it openly. Okay? Open. Ha? O-P-E-N. Okay? Hindi O-F-T-E-N. Ano tong Three of Swords? Yeah, the Page of Pentacles. Meron ditong makikipag-usap in the near future. Pero, ang nakikita ko lang is heartache lang yung dadalahin. Yung iba rito, talagang you're manifesting a comeback, no? Kahit hindi na dapat. Oo, matibay ba yung ulo nyo? Hindi pa ba yan nababasag? Bato ito ulit, no? Ito yung bato dati na ipinukpok nyo. Gusto nyo ulit kunin, pupukpok nyo ulit sa ulo nyo no? So, ganun. So, I'm sorry, but yun ang nakikita ko. Next is Scorpio. Okay, so may nalaglag na dalawa. Emperor in reverse and the King of Wands. Oh, meron kayong boss na talagang ginagamit lang yung kanyang position para sundin siya kahit minsan hindi na dapat. Okay? Yeah, the Eight of Wands. Kailangan mo akong sundin kasi ako yung bisor mo. Okay? Oo. There's a person na talagang ginagamit yung position niya para sundin siya. Even though yung mga pinapagawa is hindi na dapat. Okay? May tao rito na parang if they're trying to control you, hindi ka nila makokontrol kapag ikaw yung nagdesisyon para sa sarili mo. Nakokontrol ka lang nila kung palagi kang oo sa kanila. Yung wala kang bibig pagdating sa kanila. Okay? Ano tong Emperor in reverse? Scorpio. Yeah, the Devil. Napaka nito. Aasnan ko to Yes. There's a toxic boss. Okay, ano tong King of Wands? Some of you, yung work environment is hindi na okay. Toxic na. Yeah. Hindi na nagkakaroon ng cooperation like that. Okay? What's with the King of Wands? The Five of Wands, universe. Huwag mo hayaan na kontrolin kayo, ha? Okay? May mga taong gustong kontrolin ka, pero huwag mo hahayaan. Okay? Mag-decision ka ng iyo. And huwag mo rin hahayaan na mapending lahat ng gusto mong gawin just because gusto ka ng ibang tao na hintayin mo sila. Okay? Enough with that. Hang on. Okay. So, akala ko may tumatawag sa akin. Wala pala. Ano tong Eight of Wands? What's with the Eight of Wands? The Page of Wands, universe. Failure. Like, start, stop, like that. Yeah, the Seven of Cups. Too much confusion. Okay. Meron ditong conversation na mangyayari with the fire sign, Capricorn or Aries, na parang magkakaroon ng start, stop. Okay? I don't know kung ano meron. Okay, so yun lang. Next. Next is Sagittarius. Okay. So, Sag, anong meron? Message, energy check-ins. Okay. Sagittarius. Anong message for you? Okay, the Five of Cups in reverse. And the Seven of Swords. Oh, mayroong makikipag-ayos na sinungaling dito ha. Pero yung pakikipag-ayos nito, hindi naman totoo. Ganun pa rin sila. Be careful who you trust. Okay? Yeah, the Three of Wands. Kasi, iba sa kanila, like, makikipag-ayos dahil alam nila, nag-expect ka sa kanila. Okay? Gagawin nila na kumonek sa inyo and makipag-ayos. Pero wala silang gagawing pagbabago. Alam lang kasi nila na you're still there. Okay? Waiting for them. Okay? See? Being stuck. What's with the Five of Cups in reverse? The Two of Wands in reverse. Yes. For me, this is like self-love. Okay? This is like self-love. Forgiveness for some of you. Wag mo rin hayaan yung sarili mong ma-stress. Okay? Sa mga hindi umuusad, sa mga hindi nagkakaroon ng progress. Okay? What's with the Seven of Swords? Ano tong Seven of Swords? Meron ditong mga taong pinapaasa ka lang. Okay? Hindi ko sinabing ikaw ha. Ikaw ang pinapaasa. Okay? Yeah. The Four of Wands. Iba rito, pwedeng merong mga pagnanakaw na mangyayari. Be careful. Okay? Sa workplace, sa bahay, merong pagnanakaw akong nakikita rito. In general. Okay? Pag nanakaw, tingnan ninyo, check ninyo yung mga CCTV. Okay? Kasi pwedeng hindi nakabukas yun or pwedeng sira. So, pwedeng ayun lang yung nag-iisang way para makita nyo kung sino yun. This is specific. Okay? This is specific. May pagnanakaw ako nakikita rito, Sagittarius. Ha? Okay? And, I don't know, some of you, kung meron ditong parang gustong magpatayo ng bahay, okay, or something like regarding stability, okay, be careful sa mga makikialam, manghihimasok, mga ganyan, sa mga makakausap mo, makakatransak. Mas maganda alam mo yung details nila, alam mo yung background, okay, do the background checking, no, before kayo like kumuha ng contractor, mga ganyan. Okay, so yeah. The Three of Wands, please. What's with the Three of Wands? Yeah, see? May mga tao talaga na hindi magiging tapat sa'yo in general. So, wag masyadong magbigay ng tiwala. Some of you, tiwalang-tiwala ka na dito. Okay? Yung iba rito, nag-expect ka ng something good from them. Pwedeng nakuha na yung loob mo. Be careful. Okay? In general, be careful. May naghihintay rito. Aquarius or Pisces or fire sign. Gusto makipag-usap pero hindi sila gagawa ng way. Yeah. The Sun in reverse. Okay? I think sa'yo manggagaling yung move. Yung first move. I don't know. It depends. No? Next. Capricorn. Okay. Capricorn placements. There's a fast communication coming. Capricorn. Okay. The Seven of Cups. The Hermit. Confusion. Some of you, you're finding or searching for an answer. Okay. Yeah, the Knight of Wands in reverse. Yung iba sa inyo, alam nyo na eh. Yung iba, specific ito ha. Meron ditong nilalaro ka. Meron ditong player. Meron ditong nanggo-ghost. Or pwedeng ghost ka. Some of them pwedeng merong tinatagong iba. That's why, hindi sila nagiging consistent pagdating sa'yo. Okay? And the Three of Wands. Ay, ano energy of 3. Third. party for some of you. Okay? What's with the Seven of Cups? Yeah, the Justice in reverse. So, there's injustice here. Okay, meron ditong someone else in the picture. Okay, what's with the Hermit? Yung iba dito parang may napapansin-pansin na kayo. Pero parang still, you're looking for, concrete, no, na ebidensya. Parang ganyan. Yeah, the Hierophant in reverse. Meron ditong nagtataksil, mga Capricorn. Pwedeng aware ka. Pwedeng nagdudulot na ng confusion sa'yo. May nagdudulot na ng confusion. Okay, what's with the Knight of Wands in reverse? Yeah, the Four of Pentacles. They're hiding, no? Iba sa kanila, gumagawa lang ng kwento. Okay, gumagawa ng kwento. Yeah. A manipulator for some of you. Magaling gumawa ng kwento itong mga tao na to, or pwedeng kapareha mo. Okay? Yung iba rito parang nagsisave for annulment or divorce. Nagsisave ng pera. Oo. Okay? So, maraming nakatago na panloloko. Maraming nakatago na hindi nyo pa nga, parang maybe meron ka napapansin pero wala pa rin totally like solid na pinangahawakan, kaya parang okay, naghahanap, mga ganyan, no? Some of you need to trust your instinct. Okay? So next is Aquarius. Okay, Aqua. What's with you? Okay, ano bang meron for you, Aquarius? Aqua. Message and energy check-ins. The Eight of Swords. Yung ba rito pwedeng Taurus or Aries ang person. Okay. The Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, Earth sign. See, still stuck. Feeling stuck. Stuck on waiting. Parang ganyan. Still, parang yung tawag doon, invested pa rin. Like that. Okay? Yeah, the Lovers. Meron ditong hindi makapag-open up for some of you. Okay, what's with the Eight of Swords? Eight of Swords. The Devil in reverse. Yeah. Capricorn. Meron ditong gustong makipag-ayos. Aqua. Okay? Pero hindi nila ginagawa. Some of you, alam na yung gagawin. Pero hindi nila totally pinapahintulutan yung sarili nila. Yeah. Maybe some of them, they are waiting for you na ikaw ang gumawa ng action or the first move. Okay, ano tong Seven of Pentacles? Yeah, the Six of Swords in reverse. They're trying to wait. Ikaw ang hinihintay nito. Gemini, Capricorn, water, I don't know, air, and earth. Okay? What's with the Lovers? May past person dito na still stuck on you, Aqua. Yeah. They're sad. Some of them, they're afraid. Okay? Yeah. See? They still wish na sana ikaw pa rin or sana ikaw na lang. Hanggang ngayon, sumisilip. Yeah, but nagiging tahimik lang sila. Or I guess, kaya nila ginagawa to dahil tahimik ka. Okay? Parang wala silang marinig from you. That's why, nakakatakot gumalaw, nakakatakot umaksyon. Okay? Yeah. Meron ditong air sign din na talagang nag-uumiyak pa rin pagdating sa'yo. Yes. Yung iba sa inyo, nakakatakot ka raw i-approach. Okay, in general, nakakatakot kang i-approach. Parang ang dami mo raw tinatago, Aqua. I don't know. Sinabi ko lang, okay? So next is Pisces. Pisces placements. Okay, oops. Okay. So, anong message for Pisces? Energy check-ins. Pisces, the Three of Cups, celebration for some of you, meetings with your friends, yan, get together, yan, mga ganyan, happenings. Okay. Yeah, the Five of Pentacles in reverse. Oh, no. The Two of Wands in reverse. Meron ditong pwedeng ikaw ito na gusto makipag-reconcile sa isang earth sign or fire. Pero parang tinatalikuran ka na. Yes. Pwedeng may third party na involved. To the Three of Cups. Yeah, the Four of Wands. Excuse me, Four of Wands in reverse. So, may nangyaring separation, no? Because of a third party. May nangyaring ganyan. So, that's why nagkaroon ng instability. Okay. The Four of Wands. Yeah. Some of you may chance na makalipat sa ibang bahay. May chance na lumipat ng ibang lugar. And make new friends. Okay? Yeah. Five of Pentacles in reverse, please. And the Seven of Wands. Yeah, there's tension. Meron ditong gustong makipag-ayos, pero there's tension. There's blockage. Okay? Some of you, a past person still wants you. Or maybe you still want an ex. Okay. Ano tong Two of Wands in reverse? The Ten of Wands in reverse. Meron kayong mga kailangan ng i-let go para mas maging magaan. Okay? Yung nasa inyong mga bali-balikat. Okay? Kailangan nyo alisan, talikuran para gumaan-gaan ang sitwasyon. Okay? Masyado ng nag-iisip yung iba rito. Kailangan ko ba? Kung sa tingin nyo mapapagaan ang sitwasyon mo, kung sa tingin mo mabibigyan ka ng peace of mind, why not? Okay? Ngayon, isipin mo naman yung sarili mo. Okay, this is you at the bottom of the deck. This is your energy, the Hangman. Okay, so you're just waiting. I guess, marami ka nang pinalagpas. So, siguro, marami nang nangyari. Marami nang natunghayan. Oo, marami nang na-experience. Pain. Okay? So, maybe, ngayon, kailangan naman na ikaw naman, no? Ikaw naman. So there, yun ang ating reading for all signs. So yeah, thank you.